Spalding, Clarendon, Jamaica, a woman has been charged with a multi-million-dollar break-in offense. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of DeepRoots TV. If you have not subscribed us yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment like I told you. If it's not scamming, me I tell you, Jamaicans are not yamming. A 27-year-old, her name is Kimone Lyssette, otherwise known as Kim, of Ritchies District, Spaldings, Clarendon. She has been charged with housebreaking and larceny, simple larceny, and driving away motor vehicle without owner consent following an incident in Carty Hill District of Clarendon on Wednesday. Reports from the Clarendon police are that between 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., the complainant security locked up the Toyota Axio motorcar in his premises and left for the airport. The caretaker for the premises later discovered that the vehicle is missing. He reported the matter to the police and while doing so, received information that the car had been seen in another location in Clarendon. Acting on the information, the police accompanied the caretaker to the location where the vehicle was identified and was recovered. On the complainant's return, he attended the police station and identified the car. It was reported that money and equipment belonging to the owner of the car, which had been stored in the vehicle, had been stolen. The stolen item reported included 1.183 million Jamaican dollars and 209,190 US. What kind of fool this? Audio and video footage that was recorded from the dash cam memory card inside the car reportedly revealed the voice of the female instructing a man on how to disable the alarm in the vehicle. The now accused woman was later identified by the complainant and was subsequently arrested. A court date was finalized for her. Now, I want you to tell me, why would you leave $1.183 million and 209,100? This must be a mistake, people. Must be $209. But me can't understand. It says stolen items when property included $1.183 million and US $209,190. I must mistake this, because if this fool would have leave so much money in our car, I'm not telling you to do any crime, but I bet the woman just cite you and pay for your car. The entire Toyota Axio motorcar was lifted by this woman. Her name, like I said, is Kimone Lyssette, otherwise called Kim, of Ritchies District in Spaldings, Clarendon. And she is accused of larceny, simple larceny, and driving away the vehicle without the owner's permission. As I want to call it, that's called vehicular theft, grand theft vehicular. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of DeepRoots TV. Me don't know if I slick, this girl slick, or if I fool, this fool. He left so much money in a him car and fly gone foreign. Leave your comment on this one. Let me know if you think I lie, the boy a lie, so he leave so much money in a car. Or you think the woman just slick and took him chick? More life and more joy and more in happiness. Subscribe and follow. Leave your comment on this one.
Watch for this is Wayne one, you know, so I represent for DeepRoots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.